Have you ever pondered over the enigma of whether someone truly harbors affection for you? It can feel like trying to decipher the Da Vinci Code, right? Well, fear not, because today we're diving into the intricacies of human behavior to unravel the 7 hidden signs that someone really likes you. Starting off with sign number 1, the power of eye contact. When someone is genuinely interested in you, their eyes become the window to their soul. They maintain eye contact more often and for longer, as a subconscious way of connecting with you. Coming up next is sign number 2. They remember the little things. If someone recalls your favorite ice cream flavor or the name of your childhood pet, it's a clear sign that they're not just listening, but they're also paying attention. Remember, the devil is in the details. Sign number 3 is body language. Does their body seem to mirror yours? This phenomenon, known as mirroring, is a subconscious way of showing empathy and connection. It's an almost involuntary response when someone really likes you. Moving on to sign number 4, they initiate contact. If someone is reaching out first, whether it's through a text, a call, or arranging a meetup, it's a strong indicator that they're eager to connect with you. This step takes courage and shows a clear interest. Sign number 5, they compliment you. Genuine compliments are not just about flattery. They're an expression of admiration and a sign that they appreciate your qualities. Sign number 6, they show genuine concern for your well-being. When someone truly likes you, they care about your happiness and your health. They'll check in on you when you're feeling down and celebrate with you when you're on top of the world. And finally, sign number 7, they invest time in you. Time is the most valuable gift we have. If someone spends their precious time with you, it's a clear sign they truly like you. So there you have it, 7 telltale signs someone really likes you. The power of eye contact, remembering the little things, body language mirroring, initiating contact, giving compliments, showing genuine concern for your well-being, and investing time in you. Understanding these signs can help you navigate the labyrinth of human attraction. It's important to remember that these signs are not foolproof, as human behavior can be complex and unpredictable. However, they offer a valuable guide to understanding if someone really likes us. The key to deciphering these signs lies in observation and understanding. So, the next time you find yourself questioning someone's feelings for you, remember these 7 signs. They might just help you solve the riddle.